Another massive storm. This has been going for about 10 minutes only, and this road here was completely dry before, but there's been so much water come down, it's now flooded. The field beyond it is very, very wet and flooding. Our stones, which are quite thick and therefore normally provide very good drainage, are flooding. Luckily they're flooding alongside the wall where there's an underground channel taking water out through the wall, but there are patches of pools of water all the way around, and this is why you build your house up by 30 to 60 centimetres even when you've raised your land, because this area has had no direct rain, but the water, this is a slightly dug out area where the dog normally settles itself, and it's filled with water. Basically that's the level of the water under the stones, and there's another example of it. And bear in mind that I've calculated that about 75% of this land on which we've built is actually covered by either concrete or roofs taking the water off. Now my gutters are holding very nicely after the repairs several months ago, but there is water coming over them, and that's simply because the volume of water off the roof is just bypassing the gutters completely. It's just rushing straight off, and all the overflow is happening towards that end where I imagine the gutters are already full up anyway. This is all flooded out here where the stones are. And as I've mentioned before, there's a lot of runoff from the neighbour's land straight across the road here, as you can see. And what it does, unfortunately, is it's gradually wearing a channel out in the road here. There's already a massive hole. Let me see if I can get to it. There's already a massive hole here which I dare not step in. That'll be even deeper. The traffic here now has a hard time coming along here, which is good because everyone slows down, but you can see just on the right there by the bushes, water's running down. That's eroding the road, and then it's eroding the road there in the centre of the picture. It's eroding the road there. The speed it's going down there is amazing. It's not surprising that there's a huge amount of erosion, and there's erosion here as well. So and all this water's coming from the top of the hill on the neighbour's land. We're also in danger of the road eroding here as well, because the water that's collected here is all pouring down the side here into the neighbour's field, and very gradually it's eroding, but not as bad as just beyond our house. Oh, and here's a brave lady. So I have to say, yesterday was really, really hot, and this morning was really, really hot, and I thought that we had got rid of the rainy season, but it's come back with a vengeance this afternoon.